cutter wheel belt and jack shaft V-belt tension and adjustment, RG27, RG37, and RG37T. Tools required: 1 3/8 inch wrench, 9/16 wrench, 1/2 inch wrench, 9/16 socket, 3/4 inch wrench, belt tension gauge, 7/16 inch wrench, 1/2 inch ratchet. Be sure to read the Operator Service Maintenance Manual in its entirety prior to working on your Rayco stump cutter. The Maintenance Made Easy videos provide you with visual reference only and are not intended to replace your manual. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the equipment. Hand protection should be worn where necessary to protect the worker's hands. Reference your manual for further instruction on proper clothing and protective equipment. Checking the tension. Before beginning, make sure the cutter wheel is free to rotate and not resting on the ground. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and place in your pocket so it cannot accidentally be turned on while working. Next, remove the plug located at the top of the belt cover using a 1 3/8 inch wrench. Using a belt tension gauge, check the deflection of the belt. The belt should deflect a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters when 12 to 15 pounds or 5 to 7 kilograms of force is applied. Adjusting the tension. If it is determined the belt needs adjustment, loosen the 4 engine mounting bolts which secure the engine to the cutting boom using a 1/2 inch wrench and 1/2 inch socket. You will then need to loosen the adjusting bolt a 1/2 inch to 1 inch or 13 to 25 millimeters. This releases the jack shaft belt tension from the jack shaft bearings. To tighten the cutting wheel belt, loosen the 2 jack shaft bearing bolts on each bearing using a 3/4 inch wrench. Next, with a 9/16 wrench, loosen the upper lock nuts on the 2 bearing jacking screws located under the bearings. Now, with the 9/16 wrench, tighten the 2 lower nuts equally 1 full turn and retighten the 2 jack shaft bearings, 4 bolts total. Then check the belt tension. Once the proper tension is reached, retighten the upper lock nuts on the jacking screw. Reinstall the plug on top of the belt guard and recheck after 10 hours of use. Checking the tension. To check the jack shaft V-belt, you must remove the belt guard using a 9/16 wrench. Using a belt tension gauge, check the tension in the center of the span. The belt should deflect a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters using 18 to 20 pounds or 8 to 9 kilograms of force. Adjusting the tension. If it's determined the belt needs adjustment, turn the engine adjusting nut clockwise to tighten the belt to the proper tension. Once the proper tension is reached, tighten the 4 engine bolts and then the jam nut on the engine adjusting bolt. Replace the belt guard cover. Your stump cutter is now operational.